Welcome to another Superbunny story. And this story is about Superbunny and the Woodpecker. One day, Superbunny was outside. The piglets were at home. They were sitting with Woodpecker. They said, "Woodpecker, why do you love Superbunny so much?" Woodpecker said, "Let me tell you my story." And Woodpecker said, "A long time ago, when I was still inside an egg, there came Mother Witch. Mother Witch came to the nest and stole 3 of my mother's eggs. The first egg fell down. The second egg also fell down. But the third egg, Superbunny could catch. That little egg he kept warm in his pocket, and out of that egg came I. Superbunny gave me food to eat. Superbunny taught me how to walk. Superbunny taught me how to fly. Superbunny taught me how to do everything I know. And that is why I love Superbunny so much. He likes to help others." And the piglet said, "Yes, that's true. Superbunny always likes to help others." And just then, who was coming home? Yes, Superbunny. And Superbunny says, "What are you doing?" He says, "Nothing. We are just talking about you." And Superbunny says, "I hope it is something good." And they say, "Of course, it is very good because you always help others." Says Superbunny, "I like to help others." And that is the end of this story. Bye-bye.